Wait, don't uninstall OneDrive from your Windows 11 PC yet. Most users remove it the wrong way and later face file synchronization or backup problem. Instead, let me show you the better and safer method in just a few seconds. If OneDrive is annoying you in Windows 11, don't uninstall it immediately. There is actually a much better way to disable OneDrive without breaking file synchronization system in Windows features. Let me show you how. Go to settings. Here you can see synchronization and backup. Now, most important thing you need to check here what is being enabled here, right? Either your photos or videos from this device is getting synchronized. Click it here, backup folders on this PC. You can see here the pictures, desktops, and music, videos, and documents is being synchronized to OneDrive. Click stop backup and choose where to backup file. You need to choose only on my PC. Continue. Some files couldn't be moved because it's already being synchronized. Click the desktop. You need to disable this one. Stop backup from choose where to keep files only on one PC. Similarly, you need to do the music files and videos files if you have kept it enabled. So this way, whatever the file is being there in your system, it's not going to synchronize in OneDrive. It will stay in your local drive only. Click disable this one. Stop backup and choose where to keep files only on my PC. Click it OK. So you have successfully disabled this from the backup folders on this PC. So all the files, whatever you have it like in music, pictures, desktop, videos will be saved as it is. It's not going to synchronize with OneDrive. Click the import button here. You can see what are the files has been imported in your own account, which is being linked in OneDrive. Let me show you here. Click manage storage. Now you go to account, click the account and you need to unlink this PC. Click it, unlink account, click OK and you need to restart your system. Once you reboot it, you will see here the OneDrive icon is not being showing here, is being unlinked. Click it. You can see you being successfully signed out from here. Click settings. Now the thing you need to do here is unlink this PC. Click it, unlink account, and finally you have unlinked this OneDrive successfully. Wait, OneDrive, the icon will disappear, but you need to disable couple of settings from taskbar. Go to taskbar manager, go to startup apps, click startup apps and look for the OneDrive here. You need to disable this because it's kept it enable automatically. Even if you do the Windows upgrade, it will come back again. So you need to disable these features here from the startup. Search for the OneDrive. There you go. Right click it. It's showing enable. You need to disable this one. Disable it. So you have finally disabled from the startup apps applications. Now you need to go to task scheduler. Look for task scheduler. You need to disable couple of OneDrive updates are running at the background, so you need to disable it from the task scheduler. Look for OneDrive. You will see multiples of task scheduler is running at the background, so you need to disable all of them. Look for OneDrive which is running already. Right click it and disable it. Click disable. One more is there. Click disable. If you don't disable it, it will keep running on the background and it will slow your PC as well. Click disable. That's it. You have successfully disabled the OneDrive from your system and it's not going to come back again. If you want to reconnect it, you need to go to and link the account itself. Thank you. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. The icon has been disappeared from here.